This recipe is ridiculously tasty and it only uses 5 ingredients. Yep, that's all. So not only does this recipe hardly use any ingredients which make it a winner, the prep is pretty much non-existent. What you're going to do is heat some oil on a medium heat in a frying pan and pan fry your chicken thighs. Season with salt and pepper to start with, and the goal is to get a nice bit of colour on the outside, but you want to make sure they're fully cooked throughout. If you don't have a meat thermometer, I strongly suggest to get one. For me, they're absolutely key to making sure meat is cooked but remains juicy so you don't overcook it. Then once it's pretty much cooked all the way through, you're going to move it to the side of the pan and bung in 3 shallots or 1 red onion, and then gently fry those until they soften and start to turn golden. Once you have done that, you're going to add in some garlic. As always, I'm using pressed garlic from a jar, which is about 10 grams or 2 garlic cloves. You're going to add that and then fry that for further 30 seconds or so. Also, at this point in the video, it'd be fantastic if you could hit that like button. It really does help me out with the growth of the channel. And yes, I will be very grateful indeed. Once you've fried off that garlic, then just mix everything through. And then you're going to add 30 ml of balsamic vinegar and 30 ml of honey. That is it. That is all the ingredients you need for this recipe. Then you're going to just make sure that the chicken is nicely coated, allow the sauce to reduce down a little bit, but just ever so slightly. And then from there, all you need to do is plate up. This goes really well with rice, potatoes, and then once you've served it up, just drizzle some of that really thick caramelized sauce over the top and garnish with some green. So that is how you cook 5 ingredient chicken thighs from my brand new recipes app. And you have to resist the temptation to add anything else to it. You don't need it, just those 5 ingredients, and it is absolutely delicious, just the way it is. Anyway, like I said, this recipe is from my brand new app, which has just come out this week. You can click the link in the description below and you can download it on Apple devices and Android as well. And it's got over 280 delicious high protein recipes with all the nutrition information included. That's calories, protein, fat, and carbs. And yeah, you can get this full recipe in the app. And it is absolutely delicious, and I hope you enjoy it. As always, thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think of this recipe once you make it, and I'll speak to you later.